Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 31st of January 2020. So guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my sites. Okay guys, we have seen some month end moves and now we are going to talk about, we have hit 4 signals in our signals report, and I'm going to talk about these 4 signals as per our analysis. Okay, so these are the signals that only triggered as per our signal report, and those signals that does not come to entry into our entry zones, we do not discuss about that signals, you know very well about it. Okay, so USD JPY with the bearish expectation from my side from 10920 to 1 and 108830 was the target price, and guys, you can see we have seen a big drop on USD JPY, and finally the price has moved so much down. So basically yesterday it has moved up, but overall it was completely into the bearish zone, so that's why we have expected a drop today, and it was expected, and the market has already gone down, and you can see the result on the screen. Next, we are going to talk about AUDUSD. Let me take you towards the signals report. So AUDUSD with a bearish expectation from 067, 090 and 066702 was the target price. Overall, the slow momentum is seen on AUDUSD, but it overall breaks our entry and it went down already. If I go on the daily chart, then you can see that we have a bearish signs on the daily chart. We do not have any bullish signs at the moment. So overall, it was a bearish day for AUDUSD. Next, a big drop that we have seen today is on USDCHF. USDCHF with a bearish expectation from 097055 and 096795 was the target price, and guys, you can see right from the entry the market starts to get weaker, and it has finally hit the target price, and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions as per my suggestion. They must have ended their day with good profits. Next, I'm going to talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So here we are. So you know that it has gained the strength yesterday. Yesterday my signal was also bullish on USD Canadian dollar, and today I again turned bullish from 132206 and 132558 is the target price. However, you can see that, guys, the market has went up to 132455. So overall, it was a good day trading with bullish positions on USD Canadian dollar. And if you look at the daily chart, then the daily chart was also suggesting you that the market can go up, and it has already gone up. So guys, this is all about the analysis for the signals report. Moreover, now I'm going to tell you about the trading system. Okay guys, for the trading system, let me take you towards the for example, USD JPY chart. Okay guys, this will also help you to use the expert advisor that I am providing. So how it can help you, let me tell you. Whenever you see that the market is going to take into the upward direction, it's getting the bullish momentum from the lower red boundary, you can buy the pair. And guys, in this way you can reduce your drawdown with the expert advisor, and you can find the direction of the expert advisor in the okay guys, let me make another video for you about the expert advisor so that I can talk to you in detail. But overall, for now, just for your knowledge, that when it gains the momentum from the lower red boundary, you will buy the pair, and when it gets losing the momentum from the top red or blue boundary, then you can sell the pair. And when any candle closes below the middle dotted line, you can see there is a blue middle dotted line here. So now look at the current candle. The current candle is going down. So why it's going down? Because it was closed below the dotted middle line. So that's here you can use with a high lot size scalping. That's very good time to here to enter into the trades. For example, it was closed above, you can see the market starts to go up. It was closed below, the market went down. So that's how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. For now, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the expert advisor, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.